Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit an email transfer into your TD bank account, whether you're receiving money from a friend or a business. This quick tutorial will help you get those funds into your account. So now let's get started. First, open your email inbox and look for the Interact e-transfer notification from the sender. This email will contain a link to deposit the funds. Click on the link provided in the email and you will be redirected to the Interact website, well, where you will need to select a TD Bank as your financial institution. After selecting TD Bank, you will be prompted to log into your TD online banking account. Enter your credentials to access your account. If the sender set a security question, you will need to answer it correctly to deposit the funds. Once you've answered the question, you will be able to choose the TD account where you want to deposit the money. And that's how you deposit an email transfer into your TD bank account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.